Hello everyone, I'm Twinkle and I welcome you all back again on my channel, Tea's Treasure. The summer season is already on its way and we need some cool yet refreshing drinks to beat this heat. So today I'm going to make a quick and soothing strawberry thick shake. So let's get started. These are the required ingredients for today's recipe. Here I have a bowl of fresh strawberries which I have already washed. Now in the mixer pot add around 10 to 12 of these strawberries. You can vary the number according to the sizes available in the market. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Next I'm adding around 100 to 150 ml of chilled milk. Then add 2 tablespoons of Amul cream. You can use any good brand. Basically, this cream adds a thick consistency to the shake. And lastly, add 2 to 3 ice cubes. Now blend all these ingredients well. You can see here the shake has got thick and smooth consistency. Now to garnish the shake, I'm going to make whipped cream. For that, here I've got 5 tablespoons of chilled whipping cream, to which I'm adding 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Remember that chilling the cream is necessary for it to whip up properly. The room temperature whipped cream won't have much volume and would eventually get spoiled. And now, with an electric hand mixer, beat the cream for about 1 to 2 minutes until it gets foamy and soft in texture. Here you can also make use of a manual hand whisker as an alternative to this electric beater, but it would consume more time. So after beating the cream for about 2 minutes, you can see that the cream has got a perfect consistency. So now I'm going to add the whipped cream inside a piping bag. As you can see here, I have already placed a nozzle inside it and cut its tip. Now gently fill this whipped cream inside the bag. As you can see, it hardly took us few minutes to make a perfect whipped cream with right steps, just like restaurant style. With this, the cream is ready to use. Now the thick shake is ready to be poured inside a glass. You can use any glass of your choice over here. Then garnish the thick shake with the whipped cream. You can garnish this thick shake with any of your favorite toppings and enjoy. And finally, I'm topping it up with the strawberry. With this, our strawberry thick shake is ready to serve. So now you can relish this yummy dish at your home and you can also serve it to your guests. If you have enjoyed today's video, then do click on the like button and let me know your valuable feedback in the comment section. And of course, do subscribe to my channel, and for more such luscious recipes, stay tuned only on Tea's Treasure.